How to solve partially blocked video in YouTube Studio in 2024. First you need to go to YouTube Studio channel. You no longer get important notification here. You have to go to content, then you have to go to copyright, click on it, again see, and here take action, select action. You can erase anything or trim the video. So I am erasing a song. Continue, then need to save. It will take some time and then the video will be updated. That's how you can solve partial blocked video on YouTube. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for viewing. If you like it, hit a like. If you like more like this, hit a subscribe button.